This is a perfectly seasoned venison style roast that we're going to thinly slice, but first we're going to season it all up, smoke it low and slow over hickory, make a secret sauce for it, and a cheese sauce, all on a toasted onion bun. This is really great. It's not that hard to make. It does take a few days, but let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is get started on our rub. With that, we're going to go 1 part salt to half a part of pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and rosemary. Now for our cut of meat, I have here a beautiful sirloin tip roast from a venison. You can use any type of game that you want, or even beef. We're going to start by giving this a binder. I'm going with the W sauce. It's one of my favorite. Get that covered. Now we're going to go in with our rub. We're going to season this generally, because this is a big piece of meat. It can use a lot of the seasoning. Get that all rubbed in, get it nice and coated. We're going to preheat our smoker up to 250 degrees. While that's heating up, I'm going to let this sit at room temp, just to let that exterior get nice and tacky, to let that smoke adhere to it a little bit better. If you want, you can let this sit in your fridge overnight as well, but once your smoker's up to temp, let's get this on. We're smoking on the Pit Boss smoker, and I'm using hickory. You can use whatever wood that you prefer. Now, time is going to be roughly about 45 minutes, but we're really going for the internal temperature. I like mine about a medium rare-ish, so we're going to go about the 45-minute mark, but we're going to check our temp. If you want it a little bit more done, which we are going to cook this again before we serve it, if you want it a little bit more done, then let it go a little bit longer. You're just looking for that internal temperature. Once our roast is done out of the smoker, we're going to let this cool down for a couple minutes on the countertop. And then we're going to pop it in the freezer for about 30 minutes to really cool down to those temperatures. The worst part of this recipe is we have to wait till tomorrow to slice into this. The reason why is because we're going to let those loose juices lock in there, let that flavor develop overnight inside the fridge. And what I like to do is vac pack it. Super simple. Vac it. We're going to set it in the fridge, let it go overnight, and then tomorrow we're going to slice into it and continue making our sandwiches. Now, with the vac packing and the chilliness overnight, it's going to let the meat relax. It's going to let it tenderize. It's also going to let that smoke and the other flavors on there to develop. So we're going to put this in the fridge overnight. For you guys, it'll be a second. For me, it's going to be overnight. We're going to slice into this thing and continue making our sandwiches. Now we're going to get started on our Arby style sauce. For that, we're going to heat up some ketchup, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and black pepper. We're going to bring that up to a slow simmer. We're going to put it in a container and we're going to let it cool down in the fridge for just a couple minutes. And now we're going to get started on a cheese sauce, which we can use any style processed cheese like American. I'm going Cooper because I like the sharpness of it, with a little splash of milk on low heat until that becomes one smooth, solid cheese sauce. And now we're going to cut into the meat. We have our awesome venison smoked roast beef. We're going to cut into this real quick. That smells so good. It's nice and juicy. Now to slice into this, you can use a knife. You make sure it's very sharp. We're going to slice little thin slices of it. Or you can use a meat slicer. This looks like a beautiful medium rare. To reheat this venison roast beef, we're going to heat up a little bit of beef stock and just dip this in until it's nice and warm. Now let's assemble a sandwich. We got these beautiful toasted onion buns. They're definitely one of my favorite. We're going to go in with some of our secret sauce. Load that up. Some of our smoked venison roast beef. Pile that on. That looks so good. Smells great. Now with some of our homemade cheese sauce. A little bit more of our secret sauce. Cap it. Alright, let's get a bite. Let's dig in. Try to find that perfect bite. Oh, that is so good. Perfectly smoked. That sauce is a nice balance. It's sweet, it's tangy. The cheese sauce is sharp. It's also creamy. The venison is cooked perfectly. The toast on that bun. It's a great sandwich and a great way to use that venison. Now, if you're interested in checking out any of our other recipes, we have a playlist that you can also watch. You can also check us out on shoptaggedout.com. You can also check us out on Facebook and Instagram. If you have any questions or concerns, drop a comment below. If there's any recipes you want to see me do or any wild game, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.